The skies over the Middle East have lit up once again. A sudden and intense wave of American airstrikes has slammed into multiple high-value targets inside Iran. But what exactly was hit, and how much damage was truly done? The attack was swift, brutal, and highly coordinated. Late in the night, American bombers and drones launched a massive operation targeting Iran's military infrastructure. Strategic locations in Tehran, Isfahan, and the coastal zone of Bandar Abbas were pounded by precision strikes. The operation began with more than 60 Tomahawk cruise missiles launched from U.S. Navy warships stationed in the Persian Gulf. The explosions were followed by an aerial assault from F-15E Strike Eagles and B-2 Spirit stealth bombers, each equipped with advanced precision-guided munitions. These aircraft executed deep penetration bombing runs, eliminating command centers, radar arrays, and missile launch pads. Despite Iran deploying its advanced Russian-supplied S-300 air defense systems, the American military used electronic warfare aircraft to jam radar and communication lines, making interception nearly impossible. Within minutes, the sky was filled with fire and destruction. The Imam Khomeini missile complex, a major hub for Iran's long-range missile development, was engulfed in flames. Satellite imagery later confirmed the destruction of missile silos and an underground facility suspected of housing nuclear research programs. Iranian media tried to downplay the situation, claiming minimal damage and no casualties. However, leaked footage and independent satellite verification revealed a much darker reality. It is estimated that over 150 Iranian military personnel were killed, with dozens more critically injured. Key military storage facilities and fuel depots were destroyed, crippling Iran's rapid response capabilities. In the south, the IRGC naval base at Bandar Abbas was heavily targeted, damaging high-speed attack boats and key logistics hubs. The economic damage was equally severe. Oil refineries and export terminals sustained heavy hits, causing a sharp drop in output. Simultaneously, cyberattacks linked to U.S. forces disabled major digital networks, affecting Iran's air traffic control, financial systems, and national communications. This operation was not just a tactical strike, it was a strategic message. The United States demonstrated its ability to strike deep into Iranian territory with precision and impunity. Iran's response has been mostly limited to strong rhetoric, though its leaders have vowed revenge. But with missile production facilities flattened and key radar systems offline, Iran now faces a serious setback in its regional ambitions. The power dynamics in the Middle East are shifting rapidly. What was once a calculated standoff has now erupted into full-scale military confrontation. And while the immediate battle may be over, the aftermath could reshape the geopolitical map for years to come. Iran stands wounded, both militarily and economically, while the world watches closely for what comes next. This was not just a show of force. It was a calculated dismantling of Iran's strategic capabilities.